have to have a delusional quality that they are buying a car, and if I don't sell them today, I'm never going to see them again. I was brought up in this business at Woodbury Nissan to learn that we make a deal at all costs. We close today no matter what. If they leave the dealership, I'm never going to see them again. And that's something that you have to do as a salesperson. Salespeople have to be a little bit delusional. We have to convince ourselves that every single customer is a deal, despite what the numbers say. In the same way that a baseball player goes up to bat and he thinks every time he goes up he's going to hit a home run, knowing that he fails 7 out of 10 times if he's great. You also have the delusional quality. You have to have a delusional quality that they are buying a car, and if I don't sell them today, I'm never going to see them again. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching, and if you want to see videos just like this one, I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.